Definition of variation. Definition of variation. This is the relationship between a set of values, of a variable and another set of values of another variable. For example, we can say the cost of mangoes varies directly as the number of mangoes bought from the supermarket. Let n be the number of mangoes. Let n be the number of mangoes. Let n be the number of mangoes. Number of mangoes. Now, by variation, we can say C is directly proportional to what? To n, because n is the number of mangoes. So it means that C is equals to Kn. This K is what we call the constant of proportionality, or we say proportionality constant, where K is constant of proportionality. So that's the definition of variation. Thank you.